must know that any bullish spread strategy will involve buying an option at a lower strike price and simultaneously selling an option at a higher strike price, whether we do it with a calls or we do it with puts. So in our example, say Nifty spot is trading at 10,360 rupees. As we can see here, there are different strike prices listed from 10,250 goes up to 10,550 rupees. There are various call premiums over here in this column, and these are the various put option premiums here of different strike prices. So a bullish call spread strategy will involve buying at a lower strike price. So we decide to say buy, do a C plus at strike price 350, paying a premium of 111. As we can see here, the strike price is 350, the call premium is 111 over here. And simultaneously, we sell a higher strike price call option. So we decide to sell 10,450 strike price call option, receiving a premium of 64 rupees. Now let's see what actually happens when we enter into this strategy. We can see different spot prices. So say on expiry, we are considering different spot prices scenarios. What happens to our C plus at 10,350 and what happens to our PL with C minus at 10,450. As we can see here, at 10,250 if the spot price is there on expiry, the call option of 10,350 lapses since the spot price is lower than the strike price. Remember, if S is less than E, the call will lapse. Hence, we have a total premium loss which is of 111 rupees as we can see here. And the 10,450 call option was also lapsed. So in this case, since we have sold an option, we receive a total of premium, that is 64 rupees. So overall profit from the strategy will be minus 47. If we add this and this, we get a total PL of minus 47. Likewise, we can see different spot prices, the different PL is over here, and the total PL from the strategy is listed here. If the price is increasing, we can see that the profit is increasing. Now an important thing to note over here is, if you see, if the price keeps on decreasing, the maximum loss which we are incurring from this strategy is minus 47. Vice versa, if the prices are continuously increasing, after a certain point, the profit is also getting stagnant and the maximum profit which we are earning from this strategy is 53. So we can say the maximum loss from this particular strategy is the net premium outflow. Since you are buying a call option and simultaneously selling an option, the difference in the premium here is 47 rupees. Overall, you are a strategy buyer because you end up paying a premium. Since an option buyer, for an option buyer, the highest loss which is possible is the premium amount which he is paid. So from the strategy, the maximum loss which he can incur is here 47 rupees, which comes from 111 which we have paid and 64 premium which he has received. So 111 minus 64 gives us 47 rupees maximum loss. Now what is the maximum profit from this strategy? The spread. Spread means the lower strike price and the higher strike price difference. So the spread over here is 100 rupees. So the maximum profit will be spread minus the maximum loss, which is 100 rupees minus 47, giving it a total of 53 rupees. Now what is the break-even point from this strategy? The break-even point of this strategy will be lower strike price plus the maximum loss which can be incurred. So the lowest strike price is 10,350 plus 47, making a break-even point of 10,397. So bullish call spread strategy is done when we are mildly bullish. So obviously we can see over here from this table, if the price goes down below 10,350, we are incurring a fixed loss of 47 rupees. And as the prices increase, because we are bullish, the profitability increases, and after a certain level, after 10,450, our profit is stagnant to a 53 rupees. We can have a look at the payoff diagram over here. Prices below 350, we have a fixed loss of 47 rupees, and above 450 we have a fixed profit of 53 rupees, as we can see here in this diagram. The break-even point is 10,397, which is this point. We can also learn option strategies from a website, www.elearnoptions.com. If we open this website and we go on to option strategies, learn now, we click, we have different strategies over here. Let's have a look at the bull spread strategy. So if we look at the bull spread strategy, we can also learn option strategies and payoff diagram with the help of a website, which is www.elearnoptions.com. If we go on the website and we click on option strategies, we have these various different strategies listed. Let's click on bull spread strategy. So we can actually choose whether we want to do this particular strategy with the help of call or with the help of put. So suppose we do it with calls. The strike price is, say, we can choose a strike price of say 10,000, and we can choose a gap of say 10,200. We can choose a gap of 200 over here. So the lowest strike price becomes 10,000 and the highest strike price becomes 10,200. We have various premiums. So if we buy a 10,000 call say at 100 rupees and we simultaneously sell 10,200 call options say at a premium of 25 rupees. So what can we see? The maximum loss would be the premium outflow. The net premium outflow would be 100 minus 25, which is 75 rupees. That is the maximum loss, as which we can see here. And the maximum profit will be difference in the strike price, that is the spread. So we have a 200 rupee spread. So 200 minus the maximum loss, 200 minus 75. So the maximum profit will be 125, as we can see here. And the break-even point would be lowest strike price 10,000 plus the maximum loss, which is 75. So the break-even point comes to 10,075, as we can see here in this diagram. Thank you.